twin turbo supercharged $90,000 Genesis GV80 coupe. Come with me and get an oil change. Let's just see what it takes to change this oil. Now, we're gonna walk all the way to the service department. Let's see. Can't beat how beautiful this service department really is. It's darker than what it should be, huh? Mm-hmm. It's happening when you go over your miles by 1,000.
1,000, 2,000.
Yeah, 1,000, 2,000 miles. They want you to change your oil at 7,500 miles. This is about 80-some hundred, right at 9,000. Make sure you're changing your oil on time. No matter how busy your wife is, get your oil changed on time. It protects the vehicle long term. There's no damage to this car, no sludge, but any longer you can start building up sludge in the car. Even a new one that's this nice. The most important little piece, that's the drain plug. In my time in the dealership, I've seen this left out way too many times to be happy about.